In our book, on page 166, we are going to study how breathalyzers work. The breathalyzer, or the breath analyzer, is a device used by the police to identify people driving under the influence of alcohol. The first type of breath analyzer we are going to talk about is the Bichromate breath analyzer. It was the first breath analyzer created. It contains two glass vials containing the chemicals where the reaction will take place with the driver's breath. The driver is going to breathe into this vial, and a chemical reaction will take place. A system of photocells is also part of it, and it's connected to a meter that measures the color change after the driver breathes into the analyzer. When the driver breathes into the analyzer, the breath will react with certain chemicals if there is traces of alcohol in the breath, and this reaction will cause a color change within the breath analyzer, and that will indicate the presence of alcohol. How it works. The driver first breathes into the apparatus and air passes through one tube. If there is ethanol in the driver's breath, which is alcohol, it is oxidized into ethanoic acid. There's a substance inside the breathalyzer that causes the oxidation of ethanol. This substance is potassium dichromate. And we learned that oxidation and reduction reactions are always coupled. So when the ethanol is oxidized, the potassium dichromate found in the device has to be reduced, and the reduced form of it is chromium. And it turns from orange, which is the color of potassium dichromate, to green, which is the color of chromium. The second tube is used as a reference for comparison. And here we can see the breathalyzer in action. We can see a policeman handing the breathalyzer to a woman so she can breathe in it. Another type of breathalyzers is the fuel cell breath analyzer. As air is exhaled along one side of the fuel cell, a piece of platinum oxidizes any alcohol into ethanoic acid, hydrogen ions, and electrons. This platinum electrode is attached to a current meter. So, the more alcohol is oxidized, the more electrons are released, and the stronger the current will be. That indicates to the police officer how much alcohol is in the driver's system. And here we can clearly see this type of breathalyzer.